When we use text functions to extract numbers from a text cell, it returns it in a text format, and we can see that. If we click in here and double click, we've done a simple mid formula to extract the fifth number and 2 characters. So extract the 2 middle numbers, and you can see that here all the way down. Now, if we evaluate this formula by going in here and pressing F9, you see the 2 double quotes, it means that it's text. So if we want to sum this amount or do some analysis, we cannot. We've got to convert that to a number. Another way to find whether this is a text or a number is to use the isText formula. So in here, let's put in isText and reference this cell here. True means that it is text, so we can confirm that as well. Let's get rid of that. Now, to convert a text to number, there are 4 different ways. We can add a 0, we can put in the double dash before the function, we can multiply by 1, and we can divide it by 1. Let's copy this in here into each of these in here. All right, F2, let's add a 0. Before we do that, let's put a formula here, isText. And you can see when I make the changes, it will change from true to false. isText, true. Okay, let's copy this in here. Now, let's put in a 0, add 0. Let's press F2, and before the mid formula, let's put in the double hyphens. Now, in here, let's multiply it by 1. And in here, let's divide it by 1. So there you go, 4 different ways to convert text numbers into Excel numbers.